What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol GGPI for Gores Guggenheim, or just the SPAC that's going to take Polestar, the EV maker, public here. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, I need to let you know that there is some activity happening in the after-hours session closer to 1090 up here. Of course, we had some prior levels on the chart, no longer really in play. Let's start from scratch with a quick daily roadmap, then we'll talk about what's going on in the after-hours. So I'm liking this in terms of a prior area of consolidation. In the after hours, we're kind of gapping right up to the bottom end of that range, 1097. That's currently the ask. You might be able to see that up there in that little circle. So that's what we've got to the upside. The floor currently in place is around 1018. And if we break out of that, it's probably the bottom end of this consolidation from up here, around 1322. So that's our quick daily roadmap. I would also point out that we are on a downtrend, right? Please just don't forget that. Sure, this is exciting. Volume's coming in. It's looking like it's ramping higher, but ultimately speaking, we are on a downtrend, okay? So if we go ahead and pop on the extended hour session, we just want to see what's kind of unfolding here. It looks like we've actually given back some of the overnight move so far, right? And kind of landing right at that sweet spot, the 1097 that we pointed out from in here. So where's the overnight high? It's way up here, closer to 1133. Anticipated opening print, 1097, and today's high of day, kind of in this area right there. Let's turn this back off, and now we'll just talk in terms of scenarios here. So here's the open. If we fail to really accept anywhere above the opening print, 1097, I would just look for the gap to fill almost instantly on the open tomorrow morning. You've got to think about anyone who's sort of been long from up in here, and if they just want out of the position, right, then this is a chance for them to start to take break even or a limited loss instead of selling closer to 10. I'm not saying everyone's going to do that, but it is a scenario to be thinking about here. And again, if we can't accept over 1097, it's just a failed backtest, right? Backtest, maybe this is better illustrated on the daily, right? Here's the level, backtest, rollover, target should be the bottom end of the range again at 1018 if we truly resist at 1097. So be on the lookout for anything that looks like an inverted hammer, indecision dojis up here, basically things that make you question whether or not the buyers will have the stamina and the strength to get it up and over 1097. If we do, so let's say we open and do something like this, maybe ascending triangle into this area right here, obviously the breakout takes you to the top of the daily balance, closer to 12. The one thing I would say that, is going to be the make or break for that type of move is going to be volume. If volume is not there tomorrow, I would say if we're not printing at least 1 million shares per 30-minute bar, it's not going to get to 12. If we can start printing 1 million, 2 million, 3 million shares per 30-minute bar, fantastic. Maybe there's enough new eyeballs on this name to push it up and into that 12. We get a momentum style move. Maybe we get some, dare I say it, short squeeze type activity. It's a possibility. It's not a guarantee, but your driver is always going to boil down to volume. Again, it's got to be more than 1 million shares per 30-minute bar. Otherwise, I don't see it in the cards for GGPI. If you enjoyed the video today or learned anything new, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description. And all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.